What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Today, got a few things we gotta do. We gotta rotate the tires because I just got an oil change and I'm too cheap to pay for them to rotate my tires. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna wash the car. We're gonna wax the Cruze before winter. And then if we have time, we're gonna go to the junkyard and we're gonna try to get a template made for the RS Eco spoiler that I picked up, because I was stupid and didn't get a template made out for the holes that we're gonna have to drill into the trunk for it. So let's do it. Also, I hope they allow cameras in there, because if not, we're gonna have to be secretive about bringing our GoPro in there. So hopefully we don't get caught. All right, got part of this template done. Trying to get where the spoiler sits here. And now I just need to mark the holes here. Take off the spoiler and mark these holes up. Alright, I didn't record much in the junkyard because there was like a guy next to my left. Alright, so only recorded that one clip at the junkyard. It was kind of boring. I was just making a template to make the holes for the spoiler, so not very interesting. So yeah, just recorded that one clip, but we're on our way back. Hopefully we can get those holes drilled with that template I made. We'll see. Alright, just got back from the junkyard. We are going to rotate the tires and give the car a wash. So cue the time lapse. Now that we finished washing the car and rotating the tires, let's move on to this. So this is the spoiler that my buddy and I put on the other day, my buddy Jordan and I. I didn't record it because we were just having bro time, you know? You know how bro time goes. You don't want to be recording and trying to get clips and stuff. You just want to hang out with your bro, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is a spoiler, like I was saying. We had 4 holes drilled in, and as you guys saw in the clip with me at the junkyard, I made a template out of painter's tape. There's 4 holes that go in for this spoiler, and so I had to map those out so we don't have to drill multiple holes to try and get this right. So there's a hole here, 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 and here. And basically the template kind of showed us where to drill. And the template wasn't exactly accurate. We were off by a little bit, maybe 2 or 3 millimeters. So you guys can't see it, but there is like a small gap in the front of the spoiler. So in order to close that gap, we're gonna have to oval out the holes slightly forward, so that way the spoiler, instead of sitting towards the back, it's gonna move it towards the front, so we can close that gap up. Actually, scratch that thought. I think the way the spoiler sits, I think we actually should be good. This gap can definitely be closed up when I seal it. Yeah, I think we're good. I don't think we need to drill out holes more. Yeah, because we can just place double-sided tape right along here. I gotta clear that up. Jordan cleared out most of this double-sided crap, whatever this is. I don't know if it was tape or just a sealer, but I'll clear up the rest of this, put double-sided tape there. I think we should be good to go. But for now, we got to get rid of this ugly white. So, you know the deal. We're about to wrap this thing. Alright, there we have it. All wrapped up. Good to go. Just gotta put the bolts back in, try to mount it down, and we're good to go. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. We washed the car, rotated the tires, we wrapped the spoiler, got it all mounted and good to go. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next episode. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.